What'd you find, princess? Oh my goodness. Let me save you before you get cut. You're walking around in the silverware, walking on knives. You want me to make you some toast? Einstein, where'd you come from? Daddy turned the light out on us. We gotta make toast for the babies. Oh, that was loud. Oh, somebody said they liked my shirt today at 7-Eleven. I was like, I got this at Hot Topics when I was 16, but it's not the same shirt. I found it on Temu like decades later. The same, yeah. It's kind of cool. Anyways, we have to make the kids some toast. There's the light. It's a lot to make toast. We gotta go all the way around. The toaster's all the way back here because we have so much crap. Low-key, we might be turned into hoarders. What do you think, Einstein? And she ran away because apparently the word hoarders scares her. I don't blame her. It scares me too. Hope you guys are having a good night. Bye. It looks so shiny on here. Why is that thing bubbling? The toast is toasting. Nothing is bubbling though. Maybe it's making hot water. I don't know.